Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can transform your static video into a dynamic and cinematic video on CapCut. So first you just need to add the clip and then click on the clip and go to speed and slow down the clip into 0.5 times like this. Click on the better quality and click on a check icon. Wait for the slow motion to apply to the clip. Okay, so the smooth slow-mo has been applied, and next just go click on a clip and add a keyframe at the start and zoom in the clip like this, then slide the clip to the left. Okay, after that add another keyframe at the end, then slide the clip to the right like this. Okay, now go to overlay and add a black image under the stock videos. Fit the size and then go to mask, then select split. Okay, drag it to the top like this, click on a check icon, then copy the black overlay and put it under the first one. Now for the second one, drag it to the bottom like this, so you can have that cinematic bar. And now you can also add filters, so I'm going to add this filter. Go to filter, find movies, then select the dispatch filter, adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with 45. Now go to adjust and increase the sharpness of the clip. I'm going to go with 20. Now you are done, and here is the final result. If you want, you can also add animations. Here I'm going to add the out animation, this rotation closing. Click on the check icon, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. Bye.